Okay, this is for the AirsoftGI Summer Saturday mystery boxes, which they came out with 200 for the September 3rd sale. As you can see right there. Out of 200, and of course it was 9.99. And then these are the different types of stuff that you could have gotten in Box of Awesome mystery. So initially I had bought one, and then I also bought a OE Tech belt, because I thought we only can buy one box. And then I saw on Facebook they said, oh, they have a lot more, and you can buy more than one. So I bought two more, so I got a total of three. They came in, they were shipped out, and then I received it today, September 22. So I shook three of them came out, were 3 pounds each. I shook two of them, and it sounds like BBs, so I think 2 out of the 3 I got BBs. And I don't have, one was a little heavy, but I don't think I got anything significant. I was hoping I could get the KWA ATP gas blowback pistol, but we'll see how that goes. So, alright, so I'm gonna open it up. Shipping was like about $40 something to Hawaii, and UPS ground. Total was like 62 something, and then of course, you know, $9.99 for each box, and then it came out to about $60 something for 2 boxes. So then about 40 something bucks to Hawaii. Okay, anyways, alright, I'm gonna turn this around, I'm gonna raise this, and then turn it around so you can get a better look what I got. It's a bit higher. Oh yeah, sorry about that, had some technical difficulties. In any case, alright, so here is the box. I taped it over here because I couldn't take off the shipping label, and so I wanted to hide my address. So, alright, so this is the first box here. So this one sounds pretty solid, but I don't think it's anything. Of course, you know, my usual packing slip. Okay. There you go. I did get one of them. I was lucky. So this is the KW ATP. Yes. Alright. Oh, I lucked out. Good thing I bought 3. Okay, so it comes with, they're talking about how the back part, you have a different grip, so you can replace the grip. So as you can see, I have the warning over there saying that, and then you can change the back grip right here. As you can see, oops, sorry. So, and then it is metal, and it's nice. It's pretty hefty. It's awesome. Yes. Oh, I am happy. I finally got something that I really like. I was hoping to get 2. You saw in the earlier, two people out of 200 would get this. Comes with the sample BDs, of course the hop-up adjustment, the oil, and then of course the adapter, and then it comes with the other stuff that AirsoftGI has, which is you know, the pamphlet stuff, so basic, and then all this stuff. good BBs, battery, and then Airsoft 101. So happy to say first box. I got ATP, which I was hoping to get. If you can hear, that one is definitely BBs, and that one sounds also like BBs as well. So we're gonna open the other two mystery boxes. I'm pretty happy. The first one I got open was I thought it was gonna be BBs. So seeing the thing, and then yep. So this is the .20 BBs right here. So in the second box, usual stuff, and then lastly the third box. Another bag of BBs. This one is .20s as well. So, and then of course the usual literature stuff. So, it was a good thing that I bought 3 boxes because you know, it increased my probability of winning, and I did win. So I got the KWA ATP, which I really wanted. I had already ordered one too, but hey, I was looking to get more than one, and I got 2 bags of these. So did pretty well. Out of the 3 boxes, I got ATP and 2 bags of BBs. Alright, thanks for watching.